Ladies and gents, welcome back to another video, and in this video, Bitcoin has actually started to fall. Now, we've actually looked on this a couple of videos ago. There was very important resistance at a particular moving average that we discussed. After seeing a potential move towards the upside, we would find resistance and come back down. That's exactly happening. So we're going to be looking in the charts to see what the next potential move is. But guys, I'm CryptoKid. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell because you do not want to miss technical analysis updates when they come out, because they're usually time sensitive. But let's jump into the charts to find out more. So ladies and gents, jumping on to the Bitcoin chart, this is the weekly, and if you guys remember from the previous video, so I'll go back 2 TA videos ago, we were forming this bearish continuation pattern, but I also discussed that on the daily time frame we were actually seeing the MACD starting to cross towards the upside, and we discussed that there's also a double bottom situation, and following this double bottom and MACD bullish crossover, we discussed that if we broke above $26,600, Bitcoin could head towards the upside. Now, as a particular target for that, we were discussing on the weekly time frame that it could hit this moving average. But before I further on continue, guys, if you want to be trading Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies, you can head over to the description below, where I have 2 of my personally preferred exchanges. If you want to use the link for Bitflex, you'll be able to participate in future giveaways, and with the link for Bybit, you'll be able to get a nice deposit bonus. So I'll just leave that for you guys if you want to use them. But jumping back onto Bitcoin, we were discussing that Bitcoin can come to the 30-period moving average on the weekly time frame. Now, the 3-period moving average, the 7 and the 30 on the weekly, is called Consensio, and it's a very old trading system that really works very well. Now, we were discussing if Bitcoin broke out from this neckline right there, we would trade to most likely towards the next moving average, the 30-period moving average, where we would find some resistance. Now, if I just do this and do that, you can see that Bitcoin came to $27,400, definitely found resistance there, but we did wick all the way up to $28,000. Now, on my last video, I said if we were to further continue above this this 30-period MA, we would find resistance at the next one, the 7-period moving average, at 28K, and that's exactly what happened. And guys, yeah, make sure to check back on the videos, because also I was discussing about this trading system on Bitcoin. This is important. So if you want to learn more about the Consensio trading system, you can go to this video right there, where I discuss it in a little bit more detail, and of course discuss some macroeconomics too, which is important for the macro market structure. So definitely check out the Bitcoin This is Important video, because it really is important for the long term. Now, this is everybody's question. So we found that resistance, we found resistance at $28,000 from the 7-period moving average. What is going to happen next? Now, this is a situation, right? This crossover, there's going to be a bearish crossover that happens very soon on the 30-period moving average and the 7-day period, 7 SMA. And if this bearish crossover happens, you'll find in the Bitcoin This is Important video that whenever this bearish crossover happens, there is usually a massive tank in the markets. Now, on top of that, we do have, right, I mean, you can call it a bearish continuation, not on the daily anymore, but on the weekly time frame, you can still call it a bear flag, right? It is possible to do it. On the daily, doesn't make sense. I'm not going to draw it on the weekly either, because it's not a perfect bear flag. I'll be honest there. So we'll just leave it like this. Okay, now the fact is we're at very good support. The $25,200 support is very good, and we did touch there. We saw a bounce, but we are nearing that range once again. So, what is the play here? Well, my personal play, because of course nothing in this video is financial advice, just my own TA only, I'm going to wait it out a bit. I mean, again, on the weekly time frame, the market doesn't look too good. If we break 25.2K, that's going to be terrible, but I will wait for the market. I will wait for that bearish crossover. If we have that crossover, then I am looking to get into a short position. As of now, I am not in any positions at the moment. So that is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. In terms of economic events, there isn't anything crucial at the moment, so I'll update you guys if anything like that happens. So that's why turning on the notification bell is very, very important. But guys, that is it for the Bitcoin technical analysis update. So ladies and gents, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But guys, take care everyone, and I will see you all in the next video very soon. Take care guys, and bye-bye.